Hey everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, I am going to discuss one interview question which I faced in Wipro. That is, find the common words from two strings. Let's discuss this. Let me open the IntelliJ. So if you will see in the IntelliJ, I have two strings, string 1 and string 2. In this string 1 and string 2, I have several common words. Okay, so basically I will find out all the common words. Okay, so let's do this. So what I can do, I will just quickly create two arrays. So for example, string arr1 is equal to, let's say, str dot split, and I will store all the words. Then after that, similarly, I will just write down string, then arr2 is equal to str dot split. Okay, so this will be str1. Okay, and what I can do, just I will create one for loop for. Okay, so what I did, in string arr1 I store all the words from first string, and string arr2 I store all the words from second string. Then I will iterate, through both the arrays. So int, I will just iterate through first array. So int I is equal to 0, I less than arr1 dot length I plus plus. Okay, then similarly I will also iterate for int j is equal to 0, j less than arr2 dot length, then j plus plus. Okay, then what I will do, here basically I will write down, so here what I'll do, I'll just write down if, let's say, arr of I equal to dot equals to, it should be arr of 1 of I dot equals arr of 2 of j, if both are same. Okay, then what I will do, I will simply print this. So system.out.println, I will just print arr of I, arr of 1, arr of 1 of I. Okay, these are the common words. Okay, let me print this. So instead of that, let me put print actually. Okay, print, and what I can do, I can just add one space here. Okay, that's how. So it will print in the single line. So let's do this. Yeah, so Bhubaneswar is Port Bhubaneswar. Okay, so there are these are the common words between both the strings, and but I want to print unique ones, because if you see Bhubaneswar here, 1 2 many times Bhubaneswar, right? Is also many times. Okay, many is also 2 times. I mean, so many times kind of. So what I can do, I will just add this into one set. So set is, we know set is unique. So what I can do, I will just create one HashSet. Okay, in that I will just basically create string. Okay, so string type, then set is equal to new HashSet. Okay, just what I will do, I will just add set dot add error 1 of I. Okay, I will just add all these common words into set. Okay, now if I will print, now what I will do, I will just print the set at the end. So system.out.println set. Now it will show the unique values basically. Okay, 1 second. So what I can do, basically this is not required now. Okay, because yeah, so just I'll print the common words. Yeah, perfect. These are the common words which is present in both the string. Okay, that's how you can write down. Understood? Just see it. Yeah, this is the program. So these are two strings. From these two strings, basically these are the common words. Okay, and how you write down, basically how I did that, I created couple of string arrays, and I created one HashSet, and I iterate through both the array elements, and when both the words are equals, I mean error of condition is error of I dot equals error of 2 of j. That means both the words, when both the words will be same, then I just add all these words into set, and finally I print the set. Understood? Yeah, that's how you can find common words between two strings. Okay, that's it for this session. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. If anything you can put on the comment box, I will reply you. Thank you so much, guys.